Hey, welcome back to Grandma's Corner 2020, and thank you for subscribing and supporting my cause. I am very much enjoying making all of these videos for you, the world, and everybody, so please share, tell everybody about it, and learn something new. So today we are going to be making a skin toner. Yeah, this is like an astringent, and you want to be careful about what you're putting on your face, and there are a lot of products that are out there. I really tend to want to stay with the more natural products. I want to know what my product is made out of. I don't want chemicals. So I really lean towards making my own products with essential oils. And if you've seen my other two videos, I talk about essential oils from the company doTerra. And I've been using doTerra for many years, and I love them. They're very reputable. I trust them. They are certified therapeutic grade, and they've been tested. And I can't say that for other essential oils that you might find in the five and dime store or an outlet store. Yeah, they might have a little bit of pure oil in them, but they're most likely, based on their cost, they're going to be cut with other materials that you're probably not going to be interested in. So anyways, you get what you pay for, and doTerra is an incredible product, and they are based on price, and the more you pay, the better quality you get. So today's skin toner is going to be made with Melaleuca, and Melaleuca, another name for Melaleuca is tea tree. Everybody's heard of tea tree, and it smells so good. I love it. Some people think it smells like antiseptic qualities, but I think it's very refreshing. And we're also going to be using lavender. I love lavender too. Lavender is very relaxing, and it gives me a sense of calm, and also has great therapeutic qualities. So as far as Melaleuca is wonderful because it soothes the skin irritations. And you know what? Lavender does too. Both of them really address skin issues and are very helpful if you've got, blemishes or sores or sometimes with rashes. And they just seem to address sometimes the microorganisms that are irritating your skin and causing problems. Tea tree's been around a long time and has been known for being very therapeutic in that respect. And lavender, in addition, also takes care of skin irritation. So look up more about those two essential oils and see what you can find out. So as far as our skin toner, I bought the doTerra skin toner years ago, and it's called the Pore Reducing Toner. Pore as in pores, not poor as in not rich, P-O-R-E. And I always thought this was a great size container, and I am down to like hardly anything. I do clean my face with this at night, and I feel really good about it because it doesn't leave my face tight and dry, and there's no chemicals going on my face, which, anything you put on your skin just gets absorbed right in. So I've been using this very same container to make my own, and that's what we're gonna do today. Kind of like a little bit of a cheater. All right, what do we have here? So it says half the bottle, so half this size, this happens to be a 4-ounce size, you put in distilled water, and the other half you're gonna fill up with witch hazel. Now, witch hazel is a thing that's been around for, geez Louise, many years. And it's also one of those nice cleaners that you can use as a facial cleaner, facial toner. I like to have the oils in there as well, and to kind of add a little bit more therapeutic note to it rather than just the straight witch hazel. Oh my Lord, where did I learn to talk? Okay, so let's get going. So I've got my little tiny funnel here. Isn't that cute? And I'm going to put that in my bottle, and this is already my distilled vinegar. I didn't want to try to pour out of this big old giant thing. So I'm going to put about a half a bottle of this distilled water. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in my witch hazel as well. And You know, I think I'm gonna take the top off of that. I'll be able to pour a little easier. I gotta see where my line is. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me help you out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the other half of the bottle, and I'm not gonna go to the tippy top at all because I still have to put oils in there. So that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna take off my little funnel, and now I need 20 drops of tea tree, Melaleuca. There we go, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops, I got a little extra in there. Got a 21. All right, now we've got 10 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it, folks. You now have just made a skin toner. And I have it in this bottle, which reminds me that it is from doTerra and full of essential oils. It's going to be all good for me. And always shake well before using. Here's the recipe one more time. And look into these oils because they're pretty awesome. And they've done some really wonderful things for me over the years and kept me very healthy. My immune system is like, woo, 100% working. All right. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. I hope you subscribe, tell your friends, tell the world, and look for more videos because I've got a lot more to do and a lot more to say. And I'm thinking all night long. I can't just turn my brain off, it seems like. So I am so happy that you are enjoying these and willing to watch. So you have a good day, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.